di ba, na pwede kayong mag-prepare ng isang masarap na snack na simple lang ang steps. Yan ang isi-share sa atin ni Mariz dito sa Mars Masarap!
Okay.
What is this,
Okay,
Mars?
this is called mushroom toast. Very easy lang naman to prepare. Ito yung parating nire-request ni Ronnie. Pag, alam mo yung biglang uuwi, tapos gutom, or biglang...
Quick fix.
Oh, sobrang dali lang nito.
Mabilis gawin eh. Yeah.
Oo, at kahit siya, di ba tinuturuan ko, pero minsan, syempre, gusto niyang maglambing. Ako
Siyempre.
talaga.
Kailangan iba-iba daw yung
Can you
gawa
do
mo sa
this?
gawa
Oo.
niya.
Iba talaga ang luto ni Missy.
Sabi ko, ano ba yan? Pero mabilis lang to. So yan, olive oil, tapos garlic.
Okay.
Tapos lalagay lang natin. This is
Sliced,
button
mushroom.
button mushrooms.
Okay.
Madali.
So mukhang packed to
And it's
sa
healthy,
protein.
Mars.
Yeah,
Kasi
Mars.
parang puro gulay.
Yeah.
Gusto
So we have
mahilig
here
to sa garlic.
garlic.
Mahilig
Is
ako
this
sa garlic.
parsley?
Yes,
Garlic,
yes.
parsley, pepper, cheese.
And then
Ayan, Mars,
spinach.
ano yun?
Yeah, spinach.
Parsley, okay.
Yeah. Parsley naman,
Basil
usually
ba
I
tawag
just
isa?
use this for garnishing.
Okay. And what kind of
Pero
cheese is this?
That's Parmesan.
Parmesan, spinach.
Yes.
Of course, our mushrooms.
Yes.
Egg Mars.
Oo.
And our toast.
Naku, si Ronnie, sobrang paborito niya yan.
Spinach.
Naglagay ka ng salt and pepper to taste. Okay. Yan.
Love it. This is really packed with nutrients, Mars.
Yeah. Oh. Okay, parang that's it, Mars.
Yep.
Oo. Yan lang.
And then assemble
naman yan.
na lang.
Yun lang. Tapos,
You put it there.
you put it there, you put it there. Ganyan lang.
Yeah.
I'll put one more slice here, Mars. Para apat tayo.
Ay,
So,
taga.
toppings lang talaga.
Yun.
Oo. At saka lalo na kapag late ka nang umuwi.
Yes,
At least you don't...
Para lang may...
Something
oo.
that's not too heavy.
Yes.
That's right. You can even enjoy this without the bread.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes,
Parang papapakin mo
oo.
na lang talaga siya.
Good
Kasi,
right? Good.
kasi alam mo, kung ano yung mga kinakain natin, it really, isa siyang malaking
It shows,
dahilan
Mars, eh.
about with how we feel.
Yes, tama ka,
Kapag
Mars.
hindi masustansya, kapag hindi okay yung kinain, kapag
Hindi
junk,
tama sa katawan
nafe-feel
mo.
mo na parang you feel bloated.
Masama yung
you
pakiramdam
feel
Or napansin niyo yan, pag
Bloated.
minsan yung mga bata moody,
because
too
of the
much
sugar.
sugar.
Yan.
Kunyari, napadami,
Okay,
sugar
next.
rush, ganyan. Ay, ito pa pala, And then,
Uy, may cheese
oh,
pa.
yeah, of course.
Love it.
Baka gusto na little cheese lang or you want
I'm fine with
Yeah.
Kasi minsan ito yung pampaalat mo na,
Yes.
di ba? Hindi masyadong, oh my gosh, I hope.
Okay. Alam mo,
Okay.
kakainin mo talaga to,
Ako
Mars.
din, Mars. Actually, itatry ko to with shiitake next time.
Yeah.
Kasi iba talaga yung...
Iba ang lasa eh.
Magkaiba yung lasa.
And this is perfect for breakfast. Breakfast,
Also, yes.
midnight snack,
Yes.
or whenever snack, merienda.
That's true, Mars.
drama on the side.
Drama on
Drama
the
on the
side. That's it.
Yay!
Yun.
Kita mo, oh. Let's try
Let's
it!
eat!
Kain na, kain
Oh,
na.
yes, please.
Okay.
Tingnan na natin.
Ano? May lasa ba?
Good. Yan.
Sarap!
Perfect snack. Perfect breakfast.
Hindi nakaka-guilty yung kainan, Mars, no?
Gagawa din ako nito sa bahay.
Ako din. Thank you for this
good.
recipe, Mars Mariz. Ang dali niyang gawin.
You're
At
welcome.
saka ang social.
Yeah.
Diba, Mars? Yung,
Tsaka social.
It's something different na pag pinaandar mo sa pamilya mo, parang, uy, wow, bago.
And what I love is that it's so healthy.
Yeah.
It's so healthy. Bongga. Thank you so much, Mars.
You're welcome.